Okay, we want to solve this equation then. Let's have a look. So what we do here is we draw two lines basically underneath because we want to factorize it. We're asked to factorize it in the question. Basically, let's put down how we do this then. First line then corresponds to the first term. This is written in the correct, everything's in the right position, the x squared, the x is in the constant, equals 0. First term is first line, first term. There's line 1, there's line 2. When we expand these pair of brackets, the rules for expansion of brackets, there's line 3, and there's line 4. That's how we expand it, okay? So first line, first term. Well, the first term is x squared, and here's the first line. So we're piecing together the jigsaw. What times what gives x squared? X times x. Okay, that's the first piece in the jigsaw. And then the next piece in the jigsaw is last line, which is line 4, is the last term. So this times this gives 10. So something times something gives a product of 10. So let's list them down. It would be 10 ones, and 1 times 10. It would be minus 10 times minus 1, wouldn't it? And minus 1 times minus 10. 10 ones, and the other product we can think of is 5 2s, and then 2 5s, and then minus 5 times minus 2, of course, and minus 2 times minus 5. Those are all the products of two numbers which give a product of 10. And that comes from the second piece in the jigsaw. So the last piece in the jigsaw, so we get it right and we factorize it correctly, is middle lines, middle term. Okay, so line 2, x times something plus an x times something else. See it here? Lines 2 is the middle line, and line 3 is the middle line. So x times this plus x times this must add up to the middle term, which is 7. So one of these and one of these must add up to 7. So the negative ones can go, can't they? Because they'll all give negative outputs. This one's too big, this one's too big, and it's either of these two. So it could either be 2 and 5 or 5 and 2. So from that we can notice that it doesn't really matter, because that's an x and that's an x. There's a symmetry here, isn't there? So once we've written it that way round, we wouldn't need to write these duplicates, because they're really duplicates, aren't they, when these two values are the same, which they are in this case. So it does no harm to write the duplicates though, so I'm just going to put it in here if I can. So what have we got then? It's plus 2. We can choose this one here, can't we? And plus 5. So in other words, x plus 2 times the x plus 5 equals 0. So either x plus 2 is 0, or x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. This one tells you that x must equal minus 2, and this one tells us that x can equal minus 5 as the other solution. So there's two solutions in this case. And we can check them. Put minus 2 in here, we get minus 2 squared is 4. 7 times minus 2 is minus 14 plus the 10, and that would equal 0. Yep, that's fine. And then we could try the other value, see if we got that one correct. Minus 5 squared in here is 25. 7 times minus 5 is minus 35, and plus the 10. Yeah, minus 10 plus 10 is 0. So we've checked it and we know both of these are fine.